We were built to exist in harmony with the earth and the energetic impulses emitted by it. As long as we are connected to these forces, our bodies have the ability to regulate and regenerate themselves, to heal. However, modern-day life is making it harder and harder to connect to these fundamental forces. We are swimming in a sea of man-made mechanical frequencies that scramble the signals which we need for vitality and balance. If we could see the energetic interference that we are subjected to on a daily basis, we would understand why it feels so good to get away from it all. Everything in creation has a vibration, from our thoughts and feelings to our food and the fork we're eating it from. Everything that vibrates, no matter how minuscule, material or immaterial, creates sound, however much of it falls outside of the human audible range. But despite not being able to hear these frequencies with our ears, there is still an energetic aspect of us that is aware of them. Have you ever wondered why you're drawn to pick up certain objects whilst out on a walk? Shells, pebbles, pine cones? Or are you fascinated by the facets of a crystal? Nature's creations are divinely ordered and so create harmonious frequencies that we can feel singing to us, even if we can't hear them. This concept has been utilised by creators of all kinds, spanning history and the globe, from artists and composers to architects who know that incorporating nature's secretly singing sacred geometry into their work seems to create an automatic and unexplainable appeal. Conversely, man-made frequencies are often discordant because they are designed to do a job, not to be beautiful, and we instinctively feel uncomfortable in their presence. Our bodies use their own set of these silent songs to maintain order and organisation in the body. But when songs that don't belong get in the way, our bodies can't hear themselves think.